What's Gucci, y'all? What's poppin'? It's your boy JRE from Jrekml. You watching me in full effect, I guess. Hey, like this video if you see me right now. Do you see me? To be honest with you, as you can tell, I haven't been uploading as much as I can, due to, you know, dealing with like personal problems. And just been doing my best. But what does help me is listening to music. And it's the reason why I got into K-pop, because it was like K-pop is like therapy to me, you know. It does make me happier, especially watching someone like XG, to be honest. That's what we're doing today. We're gonna be checking out XG's is it called Puppet Show? Ooh, Puppet Show. But I relate this question on you. How are you doing? Hopefully you're good. And if you're not feeling your best, hopefully this video makes you smile a little bit or laugh a little bit, you know. Let's enjoy some music together, shall we? Let's go. Play my intro. Go get your Peach Please shirts, link in the description. Go get it, support the homie, get your merch, go rep the Dreamers, all them peaches, let's go. Alright, XG in the building, Puppet Show. Y'all already know XG they really be killing the game too, to be honest. They are that group. I don't know about you, I don't know if you sleeping on them or not, you shouldn't be. Without further ado, let's get into this, let's get it, let's go. 3, 2, 1, pow. Are you looking down on me? Wait, what is this? Whoa, we going into the, oh, it's like my background. Oh, hold up, who is that? Is that Chisa or oh, dang, bruh, I swear. Okay, will do. Let me take notes. Ooh. Different route? Hold up. Can I make this 4K? What is this, first of all? It's like a whole snow-like land with a bunch of like, not statues. They're definitely living people. I'm going to that 4K. I'm trying to look at like each scene is like a wallpaper, it seems like. Ooh. The makeup though. When the bass kick in, it's fire. Makeup is on point. God damn, look at them. Let's go, Harvey. Not the. Oh, does she got braces on too? Oh, she got shark teeth. What the? Y'all see that? She could chomp on me. What? Yes, ma'am. Let's go. No. Ooh. Okay. Interesting. Hey. Ooh, let's go, Hinata. Oh. Go, Coconut. Ooh. Get it. Got it. Who are the people in white just like us? Damn right. Oh wait, what happened to her teeth? Was it sharp or was I saying things? Oh, the way they break it down, like with the chorus and everything. Damn, what we play like a plastic dolls? Bro, I swear they don't fucking miss. They really do be hitting the target each fucking time. What we enjoy. Hey, this is a body roll type of song too. When you got him by the string. Was that a tattoo in the back of her leg? Is that real? I don't know if it is. Maybe not. Maybe not. Nah. Okay, you already know we doing that. Will do. Take me, lead me, guide me. Woo! Better body roll to this like. Bada. What? Are we floating? Oh, what is that in the background? I forgot. It's like the Northern Lights. Ooh, okay, shoes. Dang, why she landed like so nicely? I wish I could land like that. I usually bust my ass. Freaking Hinata's hair reminds me of Dara from 21's palm tree hair. Is that what it's called? Yeah. Oh, they running up. Wait, don't tell me it's done. Oh, thank God, it's not done yet. Woo! Get it. Oh, she got two different eyes. Two different eye colors, sorry. Ooh. By the string. Ooh. Hey. Okay. No. I can't do that, bro. Oh, and bow out. That's so cold, bro. That's smooth. Hey, shout out to Simon. You already know. Appreciate you. Oh my God. Bro, who is working on their production? Real talk. Oh, it's an underground. They ran all the way up to the top. Oh, so they were like under, and then they just pursued, broke the strings basically, and now they're at the top. When destinies and galaxies align. Ooh. Oh, that's like the teaser. Puppet show X Gal X. Is that a Tamagotchi? Okay. We need to watch that back. I'm glad I checked this out. Oof, my God, I swear XG always hits the mark. Like I said before, they always be hitting them. Like they got a target and they always hit it. Robin Hood who? Legolas who? Link who? XG, bro. Shout out to Sebastian though. I love his reaction videos. Someone said in the comments that, do you realize that less than a month they have released Girl Gang TGIF New Dance, which means in the time gap or maybe the same time between Shooting Star Left and Right and now Puppet Show, they have worked on 4 studio vocal recordings, rehearsed 4 different choreographies, shot 4 different MVs, while at the same time they also had to prepare themselves for promos on TV music shows, practice for all stages at various music videos, shows in various countries, and everything was done in approximately 2 to 3 months. Our girls are working hard. Yes, they are. They need rest though, but I know they're on like this groove. They're on this. Oh my God, they're just going in. Real talk. So if there's the slightest hateful word from you towards them, I'll find you and I'll beat you up. Damn right. How dare you? How dare you leave a hate comment? I'll be on that taking shit. Be like, I will find you. All right, let's go through this one more time. You already know. I might as well do a first listen. What other new songs are there? I think it. Wait, hold up. Let me go on my Spotify right now. I need to look this up. XG. Everything I do a A1 flawless. Oh, they got. Oh, so Puppet Show, New Dance, TGIF, Girl Gang, X Gene, and He So No. Ooh. Okay, I definitely have to check these out. All right, let me see. So these are people like traveling. Are they just like goddesses? I mean, they are. Oh, it's like a war going on too. It's time to get what I deserve. Yeah, right? You talking. I felt that. Hey. Bro, Harvey is just immaculate. I'm just gonna put it out there. Like everyone, Julia, Juden, Chisa, Kokona, Maya, Hinata, what's up, Bias? Actually, I don't know. I always say I'm Hinata biased. I'm sorry for this pause, Harvey. It's all of them as a group. All right, let's continue. So like she has sharp teeth in the front, right? Treat me like a lady. This ain't up for debating. Damn right. Treat her with respect, fellas. The hell? And ladies. So they have like. Yes, Miss May, you better strut that strut. Hey, 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 hey. She does look badass with those teeth though, I'm not gonna lie. Well, that transition was nice. Not bad, not bad. Bro, her vocals are always so good. Let's go, Hinata. The puppet show. Woo! Hey, hey, hey. Anything. Bro, they really do be killing that shit. Oh my god, they got my soul. Dead ass. They got me on the string. Anything by the string. All the tattoos are different, no? They have to have a meaning. Let's go, Coconut. You saw her hitting that right here. Bop. Hey, it's like I can't do it. I can't sing. Pop. Hey, hey. Let's go, Harvey. Woo! Wait, the way she said, I'm gonna cut. I can't even speak that fast. How'd she say it? I'm gonna do it my way, and I'm gonna do it my way. What? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it my way. Ain't apologetic. I'm gonna cut you off like by Felicia with it. That's not. I don't know. I can't even say it. And my first language is English. What the fuck? They're killing that shit. I'm gonna do it my way. Ain't apologetic. By Felicia with it. Ooh, with Maya with the killer. Their outfits are like, I don't know how to explain it. I don't know if I can wear that, to be honest. Obviously, no, actually, you know, I could probably pull it off. Watch me. Okay, it's starting to build. Like a whole beam just. Ah, someone is running. Oh, they're all looking and turning. What? Oh shit! He jumping. To the puppet show. Oh, interesting. Me when I'm like in front of XG, I'll just fall to the floor. Gravel at their feet. Hey, tie the string, by the string. Woo! What we enjoy? I love it when they slow it down. Is this all green screen or blue screen? This is a fire shot. In the way they slow it down. Oh shit. Now it's their turn. Dang, that's slow-mo though. Bro, she just jumps and lands so gracefully, bro. Look at this. Look at this. Look at bop. No one in, I don't know anybody. They aliens basically. If we're gonna like, because who would land this well? Who lands this well? Who lands with bomb? Pose for the camera. Moving on, and we running again. Looking on some Promised Neverland-ish. Oh wait, it's not done right. Yeah, they're gonna break. I keep on forgetting. Woo! Anything. Sorry, I keep on singing with it. By a string. Fly me like a toy. Do what you enjoy, Miss Ma'am. Please. Listen, I could be your little, you know what I'm saying? Like, look at me. I could do a good kind of ish. Sorry. But then they showed like the ending looking like a Tamagotchi. It's two different worlds. There's like an underground world and there's like at the top. I mean, in my, when destinies and galaxies align, they making their whole ass lore. This is lore right here, bro. They're building the foundation. I think they already built the foundations. They're just stacking bricks. Wow. Whew. Yup. New DNA album out right now. Mini album. First mini album. Let's go. How do you even explain XG? They're a Japanese girl group that is global, that speaks English. Like they're multilingual actually. That is just killing the game every time they come out with something new. Even the music videos are just impressive. It's like they don't got any flaws. Literally, XG is the complete package. Aesthetics to catchiness, earworminess, to vocals, to rap. They really are on another level. They're on a galaxy level, I feel. I have never been this obsessed with a K-pop girl group like this. Like, I'm watching everything in a while. I mean, it's dope to me. I don't know if you guys feel the same way. Put in comments down below what you guys think of XG's Puppet Show. Please, I want to know what your thoughts. It's like every time they deliver, if you know what I'm saying. Anyways, I'm probably gonna do a first listen to the new songs. That'll probably be up on my channel too. But put in comments down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. This is your boy JRE from JREKML. Just want to say thank you to all my dreamers. Love all my dreamers. I really do appreciate you for being there for me, and hopefully I am there for you. Whether it be through video or through like actual meeting. And yeah, keep on listening to K-pop. It feels good. Keep on listening to music. It feels good, because that's what I feel. And remember, keep on dreaming, dreamers. Dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, and it might just come true. Alright, y'all. Did you hear that dog bark? She agrees too. Alright, y'all, have a great day. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Go get your Peach Please shirts. Link in the description. Go get it. Support the homie. Get your merch. Go rep the Dreamers. All them peaches. Let's go. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.